into Kohl's and you're standing in line and they have that section, I think they have it at Target too, where it's like all these little things and they're kind of like inexpensively priced and you can just like throw it in your cart or throw it in your basket and they don't really make any sense. It's like all different kinds of stuff, but they're just really quick impulse purchases so they can get like another $30 out of you because you picked up 5. So has that ever happened to you? That's happened to me. So these companies do this on purpose. It's called impulse buying. And while you're standing there waiting in line, you're presented with all of these options and you're like, oh, I need that, or oh, I'll try that, or that's cheap, or oh, I need a chapstick, I just lost mine, or whatever. And so you end up spending another $30 or $20 on top of what you went in there for. Impulse buying, increasing cart size, just really taking advantage of you. And what if you could do this on Poshmark? I have a way, and I'm going to share it with you today. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So if you didn't watch last week's video, I shared with you a new everyday promotion that I have been running for quite some time and tweaking and testing before I kind of released it to you because I wanted to get it absolutely perfect and have like the sales to back it up and know that this really works. And so if you haven't watched last week's video, I would prefer that you go watch that video and then you watch this video because this is kind of a continuation and add-on to it. I'm running a 2 for $30 sale and it's gone amazing. And that video is all about how to set that up. This video is all about the additional add-on or the impulse buy that I've created in my Poshmark closet, and it's been going well. It hasn't gone as well as the 2 for $30 sale, so I think that is a definite. But if you have some items that you're really trying to get rid of, I think this is a really good option, and I have sold some of them. So I think that this is a really good option. It's just not as good as the other sale. And then the next video that I do will be how to create the custom style tag physically on Poshmark that you'll need to do this. So watch the last video, watch this one, watch the next one. I'm going to share my screen with you so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here is an item that I purchased for my boutique, and sometimes you pick good ones and sometimes you pick bad ones, and none of these have sold. So it's an evil eye in a little canister for good luck and protection. I thought evil eyes were kind of in. I don't know. I used to see them everywhere. Now maybe I missed the boat on that. Who knows? So this was an item that I used to have, like many of my boutique jewelry items. I had it on a 3 for $35 sale. I had it listed for $16 individually, and none of it worked. It just hasn't sold. So because I have some other jewelry items that aren't selling as well, and some non-jewelry items that I've chose to put in this is kind of like my last ditch effort sort of clearance section, but we're presenting it as an add-on item for $5. So this is like that section by Kohl's where you add the impulse buy. So here is the item. I'm going to tell you what I did to it to get it in the promotion. So I added in Canva this little banner at the bottom. So I just take my cover photo, bring it into Canva, and then add a little banner with text and then save it and re-upload it as a photo. Add this item to any bundle for $5. So they can't buy this for $5 on its own. On its own, it's priced at $15. They can buy it for $15, or they can send me an offer, or my offers will still go out on this item. But if they want to add it to a bundle of something else, they can get it for $5. So then I made a sign, and the sign says, whoa, what a deal. Add this item for just $5. But wait, there's more. Click style tag OMR5 add to find all the $5 items. Add to a bundle of 1 or more items, comment ready, and I'll send you the offer. So someone doesn't have to do the 2 for $30, which I talked about in last week's video. They could bundle a $100 item or any item with this. So they can add this to any kind of bundle and they'll get it for $5. But if they want to buy it on their own, it's $15 with discounted shipping. Now the title says $5 add-on item, add to one or more item bundle, and I'll send offer. So I actually changed the entire title to be this. Then I have the title that used to be up here down in the description. Then I have deal alert, check out this awesome sale, bundle this item with one or more items in my closet, comment ready, and I'll send the offer with this item as a $5 and discounted shipping. There are hundreds of participating items to choose from to find these items. Type this in the search bar or click the style tag. So this is the item, and that's the item. We've got a banner on the cover photo. We have the second photo explaining the deal. We have the deal in the title. We have the deal in the description. Then if you click the style tag, this is going to pull up all the $5 add-on items. So they're all bound together by the style tag OMR 5 add. And these are all the items that you can add to any bundle for $5. It's a lot of jewelry items. There's a couple other random things thrown in here that I'm just trying to get rid of. And so these are great add-ons. And all of them are presented in the same way. So it's nice and easy for someone to figure out. So like there's all just random stuff. Then this is the sign to promote it. So just like I did with the 2 for $30 sale that I explained last week, I created a sale. Attention please, don't miss our $5 deals. Click this, same information. And so this will advertise in my closet that there are $5 deals, and it has the style tag. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. So the only difference with these is that I also put the 2 for $30 style tag, which I talked about in the last video, on it. So this item is included in the 2 for $30. See, it's right here. So 2 for $30, if somebody is exploring what's 2 for $30, they will also see the $5 add-on items because I added this style tag. So the $5 add-on items are on their own with, I clicked off of it, sorry. So $5 items are on their own with that style tag, but $5 items are also included in the 2 for $30 because I have that style tag on each of those listings as well. So that when they're looking for 2 for $30 items, they also see that they can add this for $5. And I think when they see this in here, that's when they add it. So they're not always searching for this item, because if they did, those items would have sold before. But since they're not selling, nobody's searching for an evil eye necklace. So they're being exposed to this because they were looking for something that was already in my 2 for $30 sale. When they started exploring the 2 for $30 sale, then they find the $5 add-on item, and that's how I get those sales. Now, in the last video, I showed you that I had made several sales over the last week or so with the 2 for $30 bundle, and that is true. Now, with a $5 add-on item, I did sell one on its own. So she bought a $5 add-on item, but separately on its own because I had sent out a deep offer. And so she bought it for $10. So that's great because she bought it for $10. I have them listed for $15. She bought it for $10. I would have added it for $5, but she bought it on its own for $10. And I didn't really sell any other of them until here's one where she bought a 2 for $30 and a $5 add-on. So that was $20. No, what is it? Yeah, 20. We did $20 on that. That's what she offered. And I was okay with that. I mean, ideally I would want higher for the 2 for $30 item since she's only buying one, but I'm okay with it. So she did 2 for $30 plus a $5 add-on. So that was good. Then there was another one where we had multiples, but I don't know if I'm going to see it in here because the bundles are just going to show me. It's not going to show me if it's not the top item. Like I'm just looking through my sales. So it was so it was two 2 for $30s, one 3 for $35, and one $5 add-on, because this was when I was transitioning everything. So first I got everything over to $230. That was from 2 for $50, but I hadn't transitioned over the 3 for $35 yet to 2 for $30. I had done the $5 add-on items. That's actually what I did first. So she bundled two 2 for $30s, so that was $30. She bundled a 3 for $35, which puts you at like $12, and then a $5 add-on item. And so that bundle came to $45, which might have been like $1 or $2 less. But either way, she got the idea of how to add the $5 add-on item. And so, like I said, the $5 add-on item has worked. Yeah, I haven't had that many. The $5 add-on item has worked less. The 2 for $30 has worked great. So I think that there's more I could do to promote the $5 add-on. So I'm going to keep working on that. But I have sold some of them on their own, which they weren't selling before, so that's good. And then I sold a few in the add-on situation, and that's good because they weren't selling before. So if you have some of those items where you're like, I'm at my wit's end, I'm finished with these items, why don't you try a $5 add-on item and see if that helps you do it? Again, there's all marketing and all kinds of tactics that you can play with buyers to entice them to buy things, and this is just one of those options. But I just haven't found anything in a long time that has worked as well as the 2 for $30, and then the $5 add-on is just a nice to have. So thanks for watching this video. That's kind of everything. Hopefully you watched the 2 for $30 video from last week. And then make sure you watch next week's video where I'm going to show how to make the custom style tag if you don't know how to do it. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.